Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Snappa to create code graphics. Creating a code graphics in Snappa is a great way to share inspirational or informative content. Log into your Snappa account. On the Snappa dashboard, choose a template for a code graphic. For social media posts, templates such as Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels, or Facebook post, which is 1200 by 630 works well. You can create a custom size if you have specific dimensions in mind. I'm just going to use the template from here. You can set a background that complements the quote you are sharing. Go to the Backgrounds tab and you can use solid colors from here. And you can also use the photo from the stock library. You can also upload a custom image if you already have preferred background. Click on the text tab here and you can add the text heading. And you can also change the color of your text. Enter the code text in the text box. Keep it short and readable for a better impact. Make sure the code is clear and easy to read. Pick a font style that matches the tone of the code. You can adjust the font size of the code by ensuring it stands out. Choose the color that contrasts well with the background. For example, use white or light colors on the dark background and vice versa. You can add simple icons, shapes or decorative elements to frame the code and make it more visually appealing. Once your text is set, center it or adjust its position for balance. Once you are satisfied with the code graphic, click on Download at the top right corner. Choose the appropriate file format. You can now share your code graphic on social media, website, or use it in presentation. By following these steps, you can create visually appealing and professional code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.